I believe the next big social media platform will be built around machine learning and artificial intelligence, one or the other or both, not sure, but it's basically going to follow the same pattern as how TikTok overtook Instagram. When Instagram was the big thing, everybody tried to predict what would be the next big thing. Would it be something like the metaverse? Maybe something centered more around actual physical location in the real world, like Foursquare? Maybe even not hot dog? Maybe even a generational-wide rejection of social media in its entirety and a return to in real-life relationships? No, we got TikTok. What ended up being the next big thing really wasn't even that different from what was already the big thing, Instagram. TikTok just took one thing that Instagram did, video, and did it slightly better. Why do people use TikTok? It's really three reasons: entertainment, inspiration, and education. Let's think about platforms like ChatGPT and MidJourney. These machine learning platforms all have viral potential. For example, ChatGPT reached 1 million users in just 5 days. That was absolutely unprecedented. And all of these platforms have the potential to be used in the same three ways as TikTok: education, inspiration, and entertainment. With ChatGPT, in just a matter of seconds, you can write a high fantasy novel about space pirates. You can create your own workout plan as if you had a personal trainer. You can forge a term paper you forgot to write last night and it's due today. You can even generate a pretty convincing cease and desist letter to your landlord. And with MidJourney, you can create incredible images. You can reimagine lost episodes of your favorite 80s anime. You can put yourself in a fantasy world. You can even generate images of characters from TV shows and movies and comics in different scenarios or in different bodies or in different animation styles. Now, all that we have to do as software developers of the next big thing is take machine learning applications like these and make them social. We've already seen some of the preliminary stages of things like this with Lensa on Instagram. So rather than thinking about something radically different, we should think about what TikTok already does. Here, I'm specifically thinking of AI filters, but there's a number of different things that TikTok does okay or well which could be improved or expanded upon. My prediction is that the next big thing will be something that centers on machine learning or AI, but just does it slightly better than TikTok. Interestingly though, I think there's actually something pretty crucial missing. There's something we haven't talked about. Let's take a step back and think about why social media happened in the first place. Looking at the very first social media platforms like 6 Degrees, Friendster, and MySpace. People used to use these platforms to form genuine connections, often with people they actually knew in real life. And the last dying breath of that hung on with Instagram, but has pretty much completely been thrown out the window with TikTok. So here's my proposal. I'll give you two predictions. One is sort of more of a conservative prediction of what the next social media app will probably be like, and one is a much more radical prediction. My conservative prediction: social media will continue in the way of Instagram and TikTok, growing bigger and bigger user base. Influencers will become more influency. The ratio of mega influencers to regular users will continue to expand as they grow more influence, and there are more people in the world. Thus more people using the internet. The top 1% will own more influence than the bottom 99% combined. More sponsorship deals will happen, more money will flow. Social media users will stray even farther away from the original intent of social media, to connect people that know each other, and more towards fully being immersed in the digital world, getting virtually all of their information from influencers and chopped up newsreels, not to mention deepfakes. And all of this will be, at least indirectly, powered by machine learning. That was my realistic prediction. Now, my radical prediction is that social media will return to its roots. The next big thing will once again be centered on connecting people who know each other in real life, and machine learning will be the basis of it all. Again, at least indirectly, that is to say, whether people realize it or not. And we will all live blissfully once again in the basking glow of 2004, and you can even be in my top 8. I hope you found this interesting. Tell me in the comments if you agree or disagree or have any further comments or ideas. I would be very curious to hear. Thanks for watching. Until next time.